Everybody has their favorite way to sleep. Over the years, there has been an impressive innovation in the world of pillows, but one group has always been forgotten in that conversation: stomach sleepers. If you're a stomach sleeper, you know the struggle. You've tried everything: building a fortress, hugging a pillow, awkward angles, and you've already heard it all. Yes, it's not the best sleeping position for you, but it's the only way you can fall asleep, and it's never easy to get it right. The real problem is that every pillow you've ever tried was never designed for you. Traditional pillows and mattresses has been designed for back and side sleepers, so it's no surprise that a stiff rectangle just doesn't work for you. At Prone Labs, we started with stomach sleepers. We reached out to stomach sleepers all around the world and built a global community of over 500 testers. Together, we dove deep into the struggles of stomach sleeping, and with the help of industry-leading experts, we came up with the best pillow for stomach sleeping. Introducing Prone Pillow ZZZ, the pillow made for stomach sleepers by stomach sleepers. Unlike traditional pillows, Prone Pillow ZZZ is made to ergonomically support your entire upper body, from the neck to the pelvis. Its unique shape is modeled after the natural shape of the human body, and its surface evenly disperses your body weight, creating a pressure-free, zero-gravity sensation. Prone Pillow ZZZ also has a dedicated arm support chamber that securely holds your hand. Plus, when wrapping your arms around the chamber, this creates a perfect hugging sensation, mimicking the sense of holding on to someone, giving you a deep sense of stability. The biggest struggle for stomach sleepers is finding a comfortable position to rest your head while avoiding suffocation. Prone Pillow ZZZ has a V-shaped head support which securely holds your head with its side support without restricting any of your movement. Your body is complex. That's why your pillow must also be a complex solution. Instead of being made entirely out of a single material, the Prone Pillow ZZZ is packed with a custom blend of our Somnifoam and Somnibeads. The Somnifoam provides adaptive support, and the Somnibead responds to all of your movements. And with a custom blend of these contrasting properties, we created the Dream Formula, where it's soft where you want it and firm where you need it. The Dream Formula is then distributed across 5 unique sections to provide the optimal support. All this is wrapped with an antibacterial inner mesh to protect the pillow and an ultra-soft outer cover that is breathable and gentle in your skin. Stomach sleepers, your wait is now over. What you need is a solution, not a sacrifice. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to the deep sleep you deserve. Back us today on Kickstarter.